So what my question is now, I give you a bunch of logarithms. Could you tell me the x? Okay. So what they would be equal to. So what would log to the base 3 of 27 be equal to? 3. It would be 3. How do you know it's 3, Riley? Yeah, good. What I'm literally saying there, that's my base. That's what it's equal to. So I'm saying 3 to the power of what gives me 27. That's what I want you to think of it as. Okay, 3 to the power of what gives me 27? It has to be 3. What about this one? Log to the base of 4 of 16 is 2, right? Because 4 to the power of what gives me 16? It's got to be 2. What about this one? Log to the base 7 of 243.
3.
It's 3, right? Because 7 to the power of what gives me 243? It's got to be 3. Does that make sense? Yeah? So in which case then could you solve this? Have a go at that one.
7 power of 3 is equal to 343.
1.
My mistake. It's equal to 1. Okay? Sorry, that was my mistake there. Yeah. So how would we do this? Let's have a think about it so everyone has a chance to think about it. So what's this equal to? 3. What's this equal to? What's this equal to?
4.
It's equal to 4 because 2 times 2 is 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. Take away 4. That's where your 1 comes from. Okay? Could you rewrite each of these logarithms for me? So could you rewrite them in indice format? Okay? So log to the base 3 of 27 equals 3. Could you write that with powers instead?
3 power of x equals 27.
So 3 to the power of 3
3 power of 3.
is 27. What about this one?
4 power of 2 equals 16.
It's okay?
7 power of 3 equals 333.
It's okay? Don't worry about those ones. Yeah? Is that okay? So are you familiar with how to convert between the two?
Yes.
It'll take a bit of practice if you're not there yet. Good.
You can still use the calculator for it.
Yes, you can absolutely use a calculator. So all I want you to understand is a logarithm at this stage. We will go through a couple more advanced things with logarithms after the break. But all I want you to understand as a logarithm is basically saying, you tell me how big your population is, you tell me what you're multiplying by, and I will tell you how long it's taken to get to that size. Right? That's all a logarithm is. It's just a way of reworking what you're already familiar with in such a way that you can find, in this case, the power. Is that okay?